everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherelle and today I am cooking pineapple orange chicken with citrus rice. Earlier this week I was shopping at my local Publix grocery store and I came across one of those sample stands that was cooking the recipe of the week, and I decided to try it and I fell in love with it. So today I'm here to share with you how to make this easy quick meal that your family will love, so stay tuned. For this simple recipe you would need 1 can of mandarin oranges, 1 8-ounce can of pineapple chunks and juice, 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger peeled and grated, 1.5 cups of reduced sodium chicken broth or stock, 1 cup of white rice, 1 pound of chicken tenderloins that are diced, 1/4 to 1 tablespoon of sriracha garlic seasoning, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of reduced sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 8-ounce can of sliced water chestnuts that are drained, and 1 cup of the reserve juices from the pineapple and the oranges. I have added 1 cup of the reserve juices and 1 cup of the chicken broth, along with 1 teaspoon of the ginger, and I'm going to bring this to a boil and then add my rice. While I'm preheating my pan with 1 tablespoon of canola oil on medium-high heat, I'm going to add my 1 teaspoon of sriracha garlic seasoning to my chicken. I'm just going to give this a quick stir. Make sure it's evenly coated. Now I'm making this for my kids, so I only use a little bit of the seasoning because it is spicy. So if you like that kick, go ahead and add more if you like to. But for me, this is just enough just to add a little heat to my dish. So now that this is evenly coated, I'm going to add this to my pan and cook it until it's evenly browned. So at this point, I'm going to add my pineapples, my mandarin oranges, lemon juice, the remainder of my ginger. I'm going to continue to stir this until my oranges start to break down, and then I'm going to add the remainder of my ingredients. I'm going to add the remainder of my chicken broth, soy sauce, the cornstarch, and last but not least, the brown sugar. And I'm going to stir occasionally for 3 to 4 minutes until it has thickened and the chicken is cooked. Now that everything is finished, I'm going to layer the pineapple orange chicken over my citrus rice. And dinner is served. Now I'm going to take a bite and let you know how it tastes. Very good. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking session. If you have any recipes that you would like for me to try, put them in the comment section below. Until next time, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys later.